Hello and welcome to my channel Beardy Vlogger. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Shave Puck from Iowa Company. Now this shave soap is intended for shaving the beard. What I've been using it for is actually shaving the head. So now we're going to do a quick head shave just to show you what the head shave experience is like and how well this shave soap lathers. What I like to use for this is actually a scuttle for the actual lathering part. I just find that so you put scalding hot water in here, so this here is hot to the touch, and it really helps warm up that soap. It really helps create a really nice lather. I bought this off of Amazon separately to store the puck once it's dried. So we're just going to put that in here, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to start lathering. So now that we've got that sitting there for a while, we're just going to lather everything up. And you can see already it's got a very, very nice lather to it. Look at that lather. Now you get to enjoy some copyright-free music from the YouTube library while I shave my head. Okay guys, after that, I have a confession to make. Actually, a lot of you probably already know this. I'm pretty new to the whole head shave thing, and I didn't realize up until like literally this moment how important like your head shave soap is in terms of how easily your blade glides through the hair and how smooth of a head shave you get. Like I know I'm already using a really good razor in the Defender razors that I'm using, but this is like the closest shave I ever got on first pass. Not only that, like just the smoothness when I was cutting my hair. Usually I can feel a little bit of friction there. With this stuff, I just felt nothing. It was so lathering. It just glided so well. I know this is like a beard shave soap, but this is actually amazing for head shaves. Like I'm just blown away right now, you guys. I'm gonna be using this for head shaves going forward. I'm not gonna use the stuff that I've been using in the past. It's really good for beard shaves, but for head shaves, like this is my go-to now, guys. Definitely check this out. I think the puck is like $5 on their website. They also sell those little. I actually realized after my purchase that they sell these to store it in as well, so you can buy it on their website as well. I think it's the same as my Amazon purchase. Like I purchased this on Amazon for 20 bucks. You can use this to warm up your shave soap and then, you know, clean it out and store the soap. I just like letting it dry out first because I already have the scuttle, so I just let it kind of dry out in there, and then I put it in here so it's like less cleaning of multiple different things. Go ahead and make a friend in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll stick around for the bloopers. In terms of the like how it was so like thanks for watching, guys.